Butler and Son Roofing are a professional company with over 20 years' experience in the roofing industry. Based in Chiswick and Shepperton, we repair and replace roofs throughout Surrey, Middlesex and West London. So whatever the nature of your problem, from a few missing tiles to a complete new tiled roof or flat roof replacement, there is no job too big or too small. We supply and install UPVC guttering, fascias and soffits in many different colours, as well as our very popular seamless aluminium guttering that is joint-free and guaranteed to last over 20 years. Our work is fully guaranteed and we are confident you will be happy with our service. You can read many reviews about us on Checkatrade and Rated People. We are Surrey Trading Standards approved, which means you will get a reputable, credible trader that has not only been vetted by Checkatrade, but also checked by Trading Standards. And naturally, we are fully insured for your peace of mind. In addition, we are members of the Confederation of Roofing Contractors, which means that we can offer insurance-backed guarantees. For all your roofing needs, or to receive a free no-obligation quotation, contact Butler and Son Roofing Services today.